How to develop your voice on your blog. When you're writing online for your blog, you'll need to develop a certain style that will identify you, that you're going to stick by. Most people refer to this as developing your own voice as an internet writer. If you want to develop your voice as a writer, the first thing you're going to do is have to determine the type of emotions you're going to want to convey and start writing your text based on that. After having tried out various styles, you'll find one that suits you better than the others. The second thing you need to do in order to develop your voice is to practice writing much more often. Write about anything and always try to adhere to your style. The more you practice writing, the better your ability to express your ideas will become. Another way to develop your voice would involve looking at the works of some other blog writers which you admire and take various pointers from them. Remember, though, that your aim is to create your own unique style, so be very careful not to take too much from someone, or else you'll simply be labeled as a wannabe. If you're having trouble finding the proper words to express your ideas, then the best thing you can do is to simply write everything down the way you would explain it to someone. Because this will allow you to easily get your ideas down on paper while making them easy to understand. Finally, the development of your own style will depend on the life and experiences you have had. You should try to include some of your own opinions and experiences into the articles you write. This will not only distinguish you from run-of-the-mill writers, but it will also allow your audience to connect with you much more easily.